Here I have the seat post for my Farley 5 fat bike. It needs to be cut down by about 2 inches. For some odd reason, the internet has decided to overcomplicate this process. You know how we do it here, quick and dirty. Let's get it done. The process starts with a measuring tape. We're going to go ahead and mark off 2 inches. That'll do. Just to help my 50-year-old eyeball see this a little bit better, I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of tape and mark my line. Sure, I could use a hacksaw, but that's not really my style. Here, I've got my cutoff saw, and I've lined everything up just right. The blade I'm using, it's 60 tooth. Let me turn that around so you can see that. There we go. Nothing special, nothing fancy. 60 tooth cutoff saw. It's only aluminum. Okay, what else is there to do? Let's go ahead and line up our strike. Yeah, that looks about right. I think that'll do it. Hey, let's get this done. There we go. Quick and painless. Got a couple sharp edges, but let's go ahead and touch those up. I go ahead and hit everything on the outside here with a metal file. Take off all those little burrs and sharp edges I might have. Luckily, I'm using a rounded file, so I can hit the inside at the same time. Well, there you go. That cuts as straight as an arrow. I couldn't be happier. Nice and smooth. Perfect. No special tools, no special jig, no special saw. Well, I'm done with this project and ready to drop this post back into the fat bike. If this video helped you cut through the bullshit on the internet, hey, consider giving me that thumbs up like. Follow us on Instagram, and maybe, just maybe, I'll see you on the next video. If you enjoy videos about the randomness of our amazing world, consider clicking on the globe to subscribe, or maybe checking out one of the other videos right here.